Here is the question that catches loads of people out. 3 minus -4. Should we jump left or should we jump right? At first, this looks like the signs are trying to start drama, but do not worry. We are going to calm them down. First, let's use counters. A red counter means +1. A yellow counter means -1. If we have the same number of red counters and yellow counters, they cancel out. So 10 red counters and 10 yellow counters together are worth 0. That is our starting position. Balanced. Peaceful. No arguments yet. Now we change the rows. If the first number is positive, we add red counters. If the first number is negative, we take off red counters. If we add a positive, we add red counters. If we add a negative, we add yellow counters. If we subtract a positive, we take off red counters. If we subtract a negative, we take off yellow counters. That is the whole counter rule. Red is positive, yellow is negative. Matching pairs cancel. Let's try the first example. 2 plus -3. Start from 0 with 10 red and 10 yellow. The first number is +2, so put on 2 red counters. Now we are adding -3, so we add 3 yellow counters. Now the red and yellow counters cancel in pairs. 2 red counters cancel with 2 yellow counters. 1 yellow counter is left over, so the answer is -1. 2 plus -3 equals -1. That makes sense because there was one more negative counter than positive counter. The yellow team wins that round, not by much, but enough. Next example. -4 plus 6. Start from 0 again. The first number is -4, so we take off 4 red counters. When we remove red counters, we leave extra yellow counters unmatched. That gives us -4. Then +6 means we add 6 red counters. Now the rows cancel again. The matching red and yellow counters disappear in pairs. 2 red counters are left over, so -4 plus 6 equals 2. This time the red counters make a comeback. Very dramatic. Tiny counters, big emotions. Now let's do 2 minus -3. Start from 0. The first number is +2, so put on 2 red counters. Now look carefully. We are subtracting -3. Negative counters are yellow, so subtracting -3 means take off 3 yellow counters. Once those yellow counters are removed, more red counters are left unmatched. 5 red counters remain. So 2 minus -3 equals 5. That is why subtracting a negative makes the number bigger. We are removing negative value. It is like taking away a debt. Suddenly things are looking better. Last counter example. -3 minus 4. Start from 0. The first number is -3, so take off 3 red counters. Now -4 means subtract +4, so take off 4 more red counters. Altogether we have removed 7 red counters. That leaves 7 yellow counters unmatched. So -3 minus 4 equals -7. Taking off positives pushes us further into the negatives, so the counters explain why the signs work. But for a GCSE question, we want something quicker. That is where the number line comes in. On the number line, right means bigger, left means smaller. Start at the first number, then jump one place at a time. +4 means move right 4. Plus -4 means move left 4. -4 means move left 4. Minus -4 means move right 4. Do not just stare at one sign and panic. Read the whole operation. Now let's repeat the same examples on the number line. 2 plus -3. Start at 2. Adding -3 means move left 3. Jump left 1, jump left 2, jump left 3. We land on -1, so 2 plus -3 equals -1. Same answer as the counters. Next, -4 plus 6. Start at -4. Plus 6 means move right 6. Jump one place at a time until we land on 2. So -4 plus 6 equals 2. Next, 2 minus -3. Start at 2. This is the important one. Subtracting a negative means move right. So from 2, jump right 3 places. We land on 5. 2 minus -3 equals 5. No magic trick. No secret math spell. Just a right jump. Next, -3 minus 4. Start at -3. -4 means move left 4. Jump left 1, 2, 3, 4. We land on -7. So -3 minus 4 equals -7. Now let's return to the question from the start. 3 minus -4. We know what to do now. Start at 3. Subtracting a negative means move right, so jump right 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. We land on 7, so 3 minus -4 equals 7. At the start, that question looked suspicious. Now it is just a number line jump wearing a scary costume. Now let's build up to longer questions. First one, -2 plus 7 plus -4. Start at -2. Plus 7 means move right 7. After those jumps, we land on 5. Now plus -4 means move left 4. From 5, jump left 4 places. We land on 1. So -2 plus 7 plus -4 equals 1. It is just 2 moves, one after the other. Next example. 7 minus 9 minus -5. Start at 7. Minus 9 means move left 9. That takes us to -2. Now be careful. The next part is minus -5. Subtracting a negative means move right. So from -2, jump right 5 places. We land on 3. So 7 minus 9 minus -5 equals 3. This is why we read the whole operation, not just the first sign we notice. Last mixed example. -1 plus -4 minus -6 minus 3. Start at -1. Plus -4 means move left 4. We land on -5. Minus -6 means move right 6. We land on 1. Minus 3 means move left 3. We land on -2. So -1 plus -4 minus -6 minus 3 equals -2. It looks long, but it is still the same method. Start at the first number. Then jump each operation, one place at a time. Let's summarize. Add a positive, move right. Add a negative, move left. Subtract a positive, move left. Subtract a negative, move right. The two sneaky ones are adding a negative and subtracting a negative. Keep your eyes on the whole operation. Now quick check. -6 plus 8 plus -3. Start at -6, move right 8, then move left 3. The answer is -1. Next, 4 minus 7 minus -5. Start at 4, move left 7, then move right 5. The answer is 2. Last one, -2 plus -3 minus -6 minus 4. Start at -2, move left 3, move right 6, then move left 4. The answer is -3. And that is the whole idea. Negative number questions are not random sign rules, they are just jumps on a number line. Start at the first number, read the operation, jump one place at a time, and let the number line do the work.